This is our 2005 model 648 G3, 5,300 hours. Going to move to the blade, front axle, to show you any slack here from a different view. Going to raise the machine up and down here so you can see any slack. Main blade to frame, pin and bushing, cylinder, pin and bushing, and front axle oscillation support. Move now to the right side of the machine so you get the same view. Again, raising the machine up and down, viewing the main blade to frame, pin and bushing, blade cylinder, pin and bushing, and the front axle oscillation. No slack on the front of this tractor. Move now to the right side of the machine. Raise the rear of the tractor up and down to look at frame articulating pins and bushings and steering cylinder pin and bushings. This tractor's got the later series G3 center section update, complete welding unit that we've done here in our shop. No slack here in the upper or lower center pins. Moving now to the steering, I'm going to engage the front and rear differential locks. Steering the machine right and left with these differential locks engaged. You'll be to see any steering cylinder pin and bushing movement. Minor up and down here on the right side. Move to the left side now. Again, differential locks engaged with the left steering cylinder. No slack again in the center of this machine. It's all new. Move the left side of the machine, going to be looking at tire condition, sheet metal, cab glass, just overall condition, exterior of the machine. 30.5 by 32, brand new Firestone rubber on this tractor. Sheet metal, rear cab glass, rear work lights. Overall condition of the machine. Move to the right side of the tractor to give you the same view. Again, here looking at tires, sheet metal, cab glass, overall right side of the machine. Again, brand new 30.5 by 32 Firestone rubber. Sheet metal, rear cab glass, work lights, winch fairlead rollers in the boom, horizontal and both vertical. I'm going to move now to look at the grapple on the tractor. We'll lower the boom to the ground so you can look at the snubber and the grapple tone pin and bushings. Here, raise the machine up and down so you'll be able to see any movement. Grapple snubber pins and bushings and the swing brake tight. Grapple tong pins and bushings tight as well. Minor side to side movement on the tongs. Tone condition, very good on this machine. Going to main boom, arch to frame, pins and bushings, their corresponding cylinders. Raising the machine up and down, you'll be able to see any slack in these areas. I'll move now to the left side of the machine. You can get the opposite side view. Again, raising the machine up and down. Looking at main boom, main arch to frame, pins and bushings, and the corresponding cylinders. The rear of the machine on this tractor is tight. Going now to look at winch operation. John Deere winch. Fully operational on this machine. Moving to the power units now on this tractor. This is a John Deere 6.8 liter PowerTech engine, completely rebuilt here in our shop. Show you the engine, interior engine compartment. Air conditioning system is making water. See, it's cold. Fluids and filters, engine, transmission, main hydraulic system. Move to the opposite side. Again, fresh power unit in this tractor. Coming into the cab of the tractor. Fire suppression system, pressurized water, air suspension seat in operation, floor mat condition, brake pedal, throttle pedal assembly, seat armrest assembly, lower cushion, back seat cushion, rear view of the machine, winch control lever, Grapple control lever, blade, transmission shifter assembly, differential lock, torque converter lockout, front view out of the tractor. Air conditioner in this machine is cold. Headliner, radio. I'm sure you can hear it playing.